Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2 Minutes Tutorial. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to search in ChatGPT. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Into the search box at the top, type in chat.openai.com and press enter. Make sure that you're logged into your ChatGPT account. Click the login button for an existing account and then enter your email address and click continue. If you don't have an account yet, sign up for an account by clicking on the sign up button. After clicking continue, go ahead and enter your password on the next field and click the continue button once again. Once you're inside your ChatGPT account, which looks like this, you can now go ahead and search for any queries by typing it down in the search box where it says send a message. Now you can ask any question you'd like answers for. After you are done typing down your question, click the send button or the arrow at the right corner and you'll be able to see answers generated in the display. That was how you can easily search for queries or anything you like on ChatGPT. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.